Hi, this is Amanda from Travel Happy Amanda, and today I'm heading to the charming coastal town of Sandestin near 30A in Florida. From the white sand beach and a shark selling candy to a surprise in the hotel room. Let's get started. Cue that main character energy because she's not like other beaches. South Walton has the most amazing white sand beaches. I'm ready to get things rolling. Here we go. We're pulling up to the hotel right now, which is the Hilton Sandestin Beach Resort. Waiting in line to check in. There's our luggage though. That seems like a lot of suitcases for just 4 people. Well, the room isn't ready quite yet, but we're starving, so let's head to find lunch by the pool. We can just sit anywhere. Okay. Look at this ocean view for lunch. Are you sure you want the mahi mahi tacos? Looks good. Let me see yours. Nice. Oh, it's like a build your own situation.
That's what I thought it was
That'll
going
be
to
good. Hold on this paper. Nice. That'll be good.
You guys didn't tell me it was fish.
I assumed you knew.
Yeah, I knew it was fish.
You know more animals than I do.
Have you not heard of a mahi mahi? I thought it was just like a word in a different language.
I thought it was just what they call their chicken here.
No, I thought that like they put that in front of it to make it sound like
like
cool,
a Hawaiian
like
word
Hawaiian
or
or something, and I was like, okay, like it's like the style or something.
Oh, the style of cooking is the mahi mahi chicken. The room is ready, and I got my wristband on. Let's go see the room real quick, then head to the beach. I didn't even notice that indoor pool earlier. Floor 13. Is that lucky or unlucky? I can't remember. I didn't expect this. I thought the bunk beds were going to be over there by the king bed. This is way better. Our kids will love this setup. 1,000 pieces of luggage. I don't see my beach bag there though. I may need to go hunt it down. Let's go see the view. How do I open the door? Oh, here we go. There's 2 outdoor pools. One seems to be more popular than the other. I like to unpack right when I get to a hotel, otherwise I will never do it. Oh, with Hilton luggage tags. Microwave. Wine cooler? Fridge. Microwave and fridge. I wonder what's behind these 2 doors. This one. Oh, it's the bathroom. Another sink in here too. The shower. And then what was behind this door then? Oh, it's the closet. Because you also have this sink out here. Hero!
Nailed it.
Thanks, honey. The other one from the United Kingdom. That's strange. I can't believe I thought that was a wine cooler. That's so embarrassing for me. I'm using it as a water cooler. We won't need it before then anyway. Candy is considered a snack when you're on vacation. Your suitcase is over there by your bed. Changed for the beach. Thank you.
You're
Got
welcome.
it.
Those yellow umbrellas are the destination.
I think the shoe's going up.
Jake went ahead. Let's find him. There he is.
Good job, honey. Looking good. I like it.
You lady, see that seagull?
The sand is so white.
Famously so. Yeah, they could like haul this sand places for bunkers and stuff.
Oh, they're gonna say haul it in, but that's not
No,
true.
they don't. It's the opposite.
Do you mean it's a bunker on a golf course? Not like
No, not for war bunkers.
not for war bunkers? Because I was like, why would
No.
you need pretty sand?
They don't do it for war bunkers.
I was picturing like the Greenbrier hauling in a bunch of tourist
Yeah,
sand.
they use concrete and steel for that.
I was like, it seems unnecessary, but maybe the
They
fancy
might haul
sand
it into their
matters.
bunker.
These are so cute.
What's that noise?
They have a lot of chairs.
Just got out of the pool. The walk back to your hotel room in a wet swimsuit always feels so awkward to me. We're going to a little village on the bay side over there, so I need to hurry. My hair is so tangly from the pool.
Look at that.
This is the village of Baytowne Wharf. We're still in Sandestin, just a few minutes from the hotel we're staying in. This is a really nice vibe. Everyone's having a good time here. They have a little ropes course. We'll see if my teen and tween want to do that later. Someone said there's a street with umbrellas over it, so I'm looking for that. I like this place. We found it. Hoping for some seafood for dinner. I'm sure they have a seafood restaurant here. Do you see this shark at the candy store? Time for a pina colada in a styrofoam cup.
Please pick it up. Oh, that was off.
Slick lips seafood for the win.
Balls are good.
I bet they are.
What do you think I should get?
When I think of Florida, I think of the fried shrimp too.
Good, nice.
Perfect, thank you.
This place might even be more fun at night. This is supposed to be the best ice cream around.
I don't know what brownie butter is.
Better brownie butter.
Better brownie butter, I would eat that. I also always get birthday cake too. I've never seen chocolate birthday cake.
What did you go with?
Brownie.
Still stuck with it.
Yeah. It was just like I got like a bite of whole brownie. It was amazing. This is like one of the best ice creams I've ever had in real life.
What is it?
Brownie.
That's it for day 1. Don't ghost me for tomorrow. Something different is brewing already, so check back. Be sure to like and subscribe to Travel Happy Amanda to go on more trips with me.